Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Bbnaija Lockdown. Ka3na refers to Dora as side chick. Ozo nearly lost his cool last night after Ka3na referred to Dora as his side chick, something he finds very insensitive to say. Ozo had to take advice from the real husbands of Big Brother Naija Lockdown Season 5, Eric and Neil, over the disrespectful comments and name tag Ka3na has been using to describe Dorathy in the house, or else lose his cool. According to him, the self-acclaimed boss lady referred to Dorathy as a side chick of his and is not cool with it because countless times he has explained that Dorathy is just a good friend. Neil called it an expensive joke which should never be told. Eric agreed with him. To Ozo, such name tags only create bad image of him. Moreover, being attracted to someone doesn't mean there's something happening between them. In his words, Ozo said, "What annoys me the most about what Ka3na said about Dorathy by calling her a side chick is that the fact you are attracted to someone that's Nengi doesn't mean anything is happening between you two." This Ka3na girl is really pushing things too far. How on earth will she call Dorathy a side chick? Okay, let's see how it unfolds. I think Dorathy haven't heard the name calling yet because or she's not seeing anything wrong. I know it's getting to her anyway. So anytime is right, I'm sure she would clear it out with Ka3na. Let's just hope it doesn't turn into a fight by then. Okay, what are your thoughts, guys? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.